I'll run you to Aldi.
Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel. We got a very short we have a very short grain hopper train heading back to Titusville. Let's check it out. They're almost there. Trying to get on early in case we have any trucks coming here on the Train Experts or for the regular channel page. Oh, there's a catabus. I'm not doing catabus. I don't think I ever got catabuses on the regular. I have got semi trucks and stuff and garbage trucks, but not buses. No, we stopped here around 10 minutes, or no, 7 minutes. Should have a couple more trains and then... Good thing. This is 18, yes. Turn face this way for a minute and see if we... Yep, they're just passing the KTC, yeah. No, this is 85.
We're going back to the freight yard?
Yep. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll get back on with the next. Talk to you later. No, we're gonna go back to quality, and we're not gonna get the last one. We're not gonna get the last of that. But we're gonna get off, and we'll get back on with the next train after the Cadillac, right there, huh? So goes by. So we're gonna get off. We'll get back on with another train. Talk to you later.